Hey guys, Chuckpopovich here at Bricks to Clicks, along with that guy over there, Chris Clay. So we're working on some home goods shipments. We're not going to show every video for this one. I mean, every pallet, I should say. I mean, the last pallet we did almost paid for the whole thing already. We got 1,300 bucks tied into it. What was it, $18,000 worth of merchandise? And right now, this has been a home run shipment. It is customer returns, but I mean, what would you say the percent of customer returns have been so far?
I mean, it's been pretty much overstocked the whole time.
3%, 4% maybe? It's crazy. So a lot of good stuff, and a lot of good stuff to send to Amazon, believe it or not, which is pretty insane since it's all home goods. So
yeah, because usually we don't get that.
No, a lot of outdoor stuff.
Yeah.
So we'll see what we have on this one. So again, just because it says customer returns does not mean customer returns.
Always look at your quantities on the manifest.
Yeah, that's a big indicator that probably not customer returns. Could just be overstock, the way they put it in the system. And also by these companies setting it up as customer returns when they turn the merchandise around to sell it reverse logistics. You know, it alleviates them that if you have an issue, well, hey, you bought customer returns. It's not like it was brand new overstock.
They don't have to give you money back.
They don't have to do nothing. Nothing for you. Man, freaking tape everywhere. It's crazy. I don't know why they put so much tape on this stuff. All they would need to do is wrap the pallet. Yeah, need to put tape all on these boxes. And if I saw one of my employees doing this shit when I was back in retail, I flip out.
So a whole box of off. We've been able to send all this stuff.
Yeah, how exciting is that?
So, whole box of it here. More stuff to go to Amazon.
And those are like $8 a piece.
Yeah.
So those awesome.
Overstock stuff there.
A whole carton of fish bowls or whatever you want to call them, terrariums. We're not going to mess with it, but we'll keep the box when we get it back. But it just isn't worth shipping. The box is worth more to me than the glass is. I'm guessing glass.
This says couple pills, save these to the end of all the shipments. That way we can load them together, save on shipping. Same thing with seat cushions. This stuff is always really good money. Seems to sell any time of the year too. We get a lot of people, you know, in Florida or California that buy this stuff year round.
Other countries sometimes,
yeah,
which is crazy. A lot more lights. This time of year, you're gonna see a lot of seasonal stuff like this. So, might end up setting on it until spring, but then this stuff that's discontinued now, you know, it's $14.99. Might be able to sell them for 25 bucks a piece. So, a lot of lights, and then every single one is brand new.
Yeah, I mean that's a lot different than past shipments. I mean most of this stuff has been used and we've had to go through and test everything. All the lights that have come out of this shipment have been pretty much brand new to where we just take the stickers off and get it online.
Yeah, I mean there's 12 here. Even if you load bought it at 10 bucks a piece, you got 120 bucks. Alright, this carton, feeling like maybe there's something good in here. Maybe.
Probably more glass.
Nice little box. And it is. It's a big planner. It's already in the box, you know, it might be 50, 60 bucks. It's ready to ship already. We'll add some additional packaging material along the sides. But this might be something, we'll look it up, see what it's worth. I'm guessing 50, 60 bucks. Depends on the brand.
Lanterns, we got these in a different color earlier. So we got more we've been lotting together as threes. Save on the shipping, they're about 25 bucks a piece. You know, it looks like we got 6 in here, so that's a nice find too.
Yeah, overall it's been a really good shipment. Here's another tiki torch right there. We sent them to Amazon. 25 bucks a piece. Nice. freaking thing of vases down here.
Also,
Man.
send to the auction.
Yeah, I mean, there's tons of these. Absolutely tons of these in there. Not gonna even mess with them. I mean, they're $8 a piece. So if you got the space, you wanna mess with them, you know, put them online. Maybe sell them as a lot, but for us, not worth our time. Citronella candle would be something. You know, maybe $10. Yeah, this whole thing. This whole thing is glassware. I'll put the whole thing. So this whole box is gonna go right to the auction. I'm not gonna mess with it. And the crazy thing is, I would guess there's probably $200 in this box. It's all brand new. I mean, just tons and tons of glassware. But it's a struggle trying to mess with that. We'll get rid of this whole carton.
More string lights, everything's brand new, which is nice. Little package wear, but at the end of the day, I mean, you're gonna open it and put them out anyhow, so still brand new stuff, all new. A few that are open that'll go to the auction.
Craziness in here. We had some cushions, like Chris said. You know, we lot them in pairs is what we've been trying to shoot for. Cut down on shipping, but these don't cost much to ship.
Yeah, more cushions, more pillows. Still all new stuff in good condition. Some of them have dirt, but you can clean that up. I mean, if you want to take the time, you can do it. But you know, when you're listing or selling it, this stuff has Scotch Guard, so you take a little soap water, scrub it off, clean it up real quick.
Huge stoneware base. It is broke. It is freaking broken. Ah. Garbage it is. That almost empties this box.
Yeah.
Hey, we've got
String
some more mosquito stuff.
String lights.
There's a mosquito.
String lights.
Bottle opener. A cool table. We've had some of these in. We haven't sold any yet. I think we just listed them though.
Yeah, I think we got them for $80.
Yeah,
$80.
$80 on it. I'm sure they're discontinued. A couple marks on it. It's still stuff. Got these cool little lumbar pillows. Huh. I don't know what these are for. The brand of them. This set of outdoor lumbar pillows. So this might be something you sell as a lot. You know, maybe they're $20 a piece. You have to look them up. But this wouldn't cost much to ship at all. Outdoor rug. We're not gonna mess with it. It's gonna go right to the auction. We got enough rugs, I feel like.
Yeah.
These are freaking amazing. We can't sell them, which is crazy. If you see these are great for outdoors.
Hold your drink
Yeah.
when you're playing cornhole.
Cornhole. Man, these are awesome. Or, I mean, really anything outside that you're doing. Put them around your swimming pool. You got the
Whole
room
box
to
of
do it.
off. We can send all that to Amazon, so that's very nice.
And another vase that is broken. So, another garbage. See that shot I just made? That was some distance on it.
It's funny how nobody on the camera could see it, so they didn't see you miss it actually. You're just making stuff up.
I don't know. Maybe the security footage caught it.
Yeah,
Behind the scenes.
behind the scenes.
This is a junk box. That hurts my feelings. I saw it when I was messing with it.
You
I
say
can
these
send
can
this
go.
to Amazon. I know we got 2 more back there, but those can go.
Those have these.
Shot glasses, pillow, whole bunch of good stuff in there. So we got a new sprinkler that might be able to go to Amazon or not eBay. Sprinkler
Tons of string lights.
and some type of turbojet wand. And it's all brand new.
So you're saying we can actually send this to Amazon then, huh?
Oh yeah, that we can send. It's on Amazon for like $50.
You know what's, we just
I
put
know,
a
and we
whole
put
case
a whole
in,
case of them
in the auction.
in the auction. I'm sure they sold for nothing. So some more glass. That's a pretty cool lantern. That lantern might be like $40, cost $15 to ship it.
This one's got a little more used stuff in it. Stuff that we don't want to
You
mess
just
with.
sold that one's in here, didn't we?
No, we still have it back there listed.
I thought I listed one. I thought we someone bought one.
Maybe, I know there's still one back there.
That's we got 2. We got these, some lights.
Some more off candles. All this stuff is good. We can send all this
Dessert.
to Amazon. All good money stuff we don't have to mess around with.
Tons of Roundup. We can send this stuff. And this is all brand new. I mean, this is an incredible buy for $1,300, and that included the shipping cost too. Great stuff. Hey, you need me to amputate?
No.
This is pretty sweet. This is pretty sweet. I feel like this could come in handy for something.
Zombie apocalypse.
Maybe. Yeah, you know what's gonna end up happening? I'm gonna cut a finger off and you guys are gonna see it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this, I'm gonna put this away. Put that right over there.
Oh, that's supposed to go on
Another little rug. Some organic something, I don't know, we'll see if we can send it. Some planters, and we're not gonna mess with that stuff. For us, it's not worth our time. For you, maybe it is. Little brush, not gonna mess with it. I don't know what this is. We got a little vase. It goes to that big one, that's pretty cool. Lights, getting down to the nitty gritty here.
Yeah, this is all off stuff.
I don't know what this is. Heater cover. Some type of cover, must be for like your outdoor, what's it called?
I don't know.
Air conditioning unit. There it is. That's what that is. Yes, sir. Actually, I need one. Outdoor rain gauges. I feel like we had these a lot at once and we
They
never
did
sold them.
sell.
Yeah.
No, they did not.
Garden sculptures, and then finally this little dude. There's some good stuff for the auction.
Yeah, still new stuff, just stuff we don't want to mess around with.
Don't have the time.
That I think will probably be worth selling.
Oh yeah, for sure.
It's actually a whole lot altogether already.
Sprinkler timer, we just sent that so that can go. Okay, girls would be excited. Sprinklers. Sparklers. Sparklers.
Someone's got lawn care on their mind.
I know. Sparklers. We should use that for the show and we could run through.
You want those?
Yeah, come in here. Check these out. These are cool. Look at they have little. I've never seen that. You can cut on the end of this, for like saturated or whatever it's called. They call it, you know, it cuts. Isn't it saturated? No, that's like something else.
Yeah.
It's called something. I'm not.
Obviously, it's a word in the English dictionary. You
It's
just can't
somewhere
think
in
of the
there.
word.
It's somewhere in there. Uh-oh, brand new one.
Brand new.
That will go. Original, $22.
Pillow. We can lock these in twos. We
Oh,
got
yeah.
4 of them.
There's a whole bunch more.
Maybe do a whole lot of 4 instead.
Some off. So these aren't worth much. And we're not gonna be able to send it considering the packaging. If we had some of the mosquito repellent stuff that goes with it, we could do a big lot, but I only see 2 in there, so we're not even gonna mess with that. But these knives will send.
Sure.
Speak of the devil, and there it is. That's what we need for those. Go figure. Now, maybe,
No, it's a waste of time.
maybe this
We
would
got
be
bigger
good
things
for when
coming.
I'm camping.
Oh, there you go. It's for your stuff.
Yeah, you know, you never know. Some neat stuff here. Could come in handy. You put that repellent thing inside of it. Something to think about.
Something for you to take home or go to the office.
It's something to think about. So that's that pallet. Look how quick we went through that. Pretty fast. I feel like another home run pallet. The last 3 of them has been solid, or 4 of them.
Yeah, I mean, really, we only filled up 2 totes of stuff for the auction and maybe put a box or 2.
Yeah, and
It's
we
all stuff
got
we can use.
a lot of good stuff to send to Amazon, eBay, locally, auction house.
And it's considered a customer returns pallet, and you can see, really, it's not a lot we would consider returns.
Some good stuff. So that's what we have for you guys on this shipment, or this pallet. I always say shipment, but it's one of the pallets from the shipment.
Like this, subscribe, share.
Yep. We got 4 more left out of this. We'll do some more recordings on some of them that we find interesting. And then we got a whole toy shipment coming up, which is, I know, more exciting for everyone, including ourselves.
Yeah.
So, like us, follow, subscribe, turn on notifications, whatever you are supposed to do that Ella says.
You don't have it figured out yet? Maybe you
No.
should record it, and when you're done, just play her voice.
Just play the voice
Yeah.
and do it so she can tell you guys what to do.
Yeah?
Yeah, I know for sure it's like and subscribe. And I think turn on notifications so then you know when the video is uploaded. We'll figure it out eventually. That's what we got.
8 videos later, and we still don't have it figured out.
80 videos later, maybe.
Yeah.